In this video, I will show you how to attach open zipper on a ball dress for a 1-year-old girl perfectly. Please keep watching. I am Agnes. Welcome to my channel, Sew with Agnes. Please like, please share, and please subscribe to my channel. So this is the ball dress. This is the inside. And this is the right side. So I open it like so, and I place it right sides facing each other like you see me doing. Right sides facing each other. So this is the main fabric section. You have to make sure that the band at the back aligns perfectly for neat finishing. You have to align it well, like so. Then I'll pin it. So I'll pin from the band up to the bottom, as you see me doing. That is from the waistline. So I'll pick it. Now we have two for the main fabric. The lining for the main fabric and the main fabric as well. I'll pin it well. You have to make sure that they are aligned, that you can have a perfect finishing. So after pinning, I'll mark from the waistline 4 inches. So from the waistline, I'll come down by 4 inches. Next, so I'll mark it. Then from that 4 inches, I'll mark 1 inch for the zipper allowance. Remember, we left 1 inch for zipper allowance whilst drafting. I'll mark 1 inch for the zipper allowance. From the 4 inches right down to the bottom, the hem line, I'll mark 4 inches, like so. So I'll go and close that 1 inch. So after closing, this is how it looks. This is the main fabric section. I've also ironed it neatly from the neckline up to the bottom. Remember this 1 inch we left open at the neckline. So I've ironed it neatly, the 1 inch. And I've also ironed the lining section as well. The same way, I went down by 4 inches from the waist area, and I marked 1 inch down, and I've ironed it neatly as well. So I'll attach the zipper on the main fabric first. What I will do is I will pin the zipper on that 1 inch I ironed from the hem line up to the neckline. So after that, I will sew the zipper on both ends, making sure we are sewing on the 1 inch line we created whilst ironing. So I will sew it on both ends. Then I will show you. Sorry guys, I really should have showed you while sewing on the machine, but this is how it looks. Beautiful. You can see the band at the back matches. This is the right side and it's neatly done. So I turn it over again. Then I'll open the zipper. So I've opened the zipper. This is how it looks. At the neckline, remember the 1 inch we left open. So what I will do is I will place the lining on top like so. I will pin it. I will envelope the zipper in between the lining and the main fabric, right sides facing each other. Then I will sew 1/2 inch. After that, I will sew on top of the lining on the zipper allowance line we created. It should be close to the zipper. So I will place it like so, then I'll sew close to the zipper. Remember the 1 inch we created. So this is how it looks. This is one side. So I'll cut out this excess zipper. So we'll repeat the same on the other side because this is just for the one side. So I'll turn it over again, and I will repeat. See how neatly it is inside. And I will repeat the same on the other side. Sorry guys, I really should have shown you, as I've said earlier, how I did it on the machine. But you have to close it so it's closer. So this is how it looks. I've cut out the excess zipper as well. So I'll turn it over now, like so. I also pull out the neckline properly, like this. So this is how it's looking at the inside. So our zipper is neatly fixed. So this is how it looks. So this is the right side, neatly done. So beautiful. This is it. This is the inside. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.